In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a picture in Canva. We'll keep this really simple so you can follow along even if you're new to Canva. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be an existing design you've already been working on or a brand new one. Once the editor is open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main tools panel, and it's where you'll find your images. To add a picture, you can either go to Photos under the Elements section to use Canva's built-in images, or go to Uploads if you want to use one of your own photos or graphics. Click on the image you want, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. From here, position the image where you want the text to wrap around it. Usually, placing it to the left or right side of the page works best. You can click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and use the toolbar at the top if you need to adjust things like transparency, filters, or cropping. Take a moment to get the image exactly where you want it before you move on. Next, we'll add the text that will wrap around the picture. Go back to the left panel and click on Text. In the text options, choose Add a Text Box. A new text box will appear on your canvas. Drag this text box near your image and then manually adjust its width by clicking and dragging the sides of the box. This is the key step. By narrowing the width of the text box and placing it beside your image, you're essentially creating the wrapped text effect. Set the text alignment depending on your layout. If your picture is on the left, you might want your text aligned to the left, and if your picture is on the right, aligning your text to the right can look cleaner. Now type or paste in your text. If your text runs long and you want it to continue neatly below the image, you can add another text box. Place the second text box underneath the first one and under the image, then paste or type the remaining text there so everything flows naturally. And that's it. By carefully placing your image, adjusting the width of your text boxes, and choosing the right alignment, you can create a clean, professional, wrapped text look in Canva without any complicated tools.